Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro 4th generation, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Now hopefully this tablet has a SIM tray in US, but I might be completely incorrect about this considering iPhones don't, while the rest of the Europe does have a treatment of SIM tray. So assuming tablets are the same, you can find the tray at the same side where you have your volume rockers, just at the bottom. You also will get this little SIM eject tool in the box. You can use that to pop out the tray, push it in, and you will see that the tray pops out. Once you take it out, you have space for just a single SIM card on here. So place it like this, and then insert it back into your device. If you have some kind of SIM card pin on yours, you will need to confirm it. I do. So here we go. And that's it. That's all you need to do. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.